Welcome to this walk around video. Today I'm going to show you around this 2018 68 registered BMW X5 M50d, which they don't actually produce anymore. So starting off with the packs that the car's got, it does have the visibility package giving you the BMW Laser lights. It does also have the technology package, so head-up display, it's got Harman Kardon, wireless charging. Does also have the M Performance styling kit, which gives you the front splitter, side skirts, rear diffuser and spoiler. Of course, you have the LED tail lights. Just gives it that aggressive look. Does also have the 22-inch 747M alloy wheels, finished in black. Inside, full black Vernasca leather. As you can see, it's got the ambient lighting running through to the rear as well as the front. Do of course have heated front sport seats. These are both electric with the driver memory function. Electric folding mirrors, of course. There's your Harman Kardon sound system. As standard, you do obviously have the Live Cockpit with the satellite navigation. Another feature of the tech pack, you do have the Parking Assistant Plus, which does give you 360-degree cameras, and it does have the Park Assist and Reversing Assistant as well. It does of course have the adaptive M chassis, with it being the M50d. See cruise control and your leather steering wheel. Has covered just over 64,600 miles from new, from its one former keeper. If you do have any questions on this car, please do contact us on 01423 33 1133.